Meaning of disarmingly.
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 Disarmingly. Disarmingly is an adverb that describes behavior or actions that are charmingly or unexpectedly straightforward, honest, or sincere, and therefore, disarming in their effect on others. It can also mean to remove the weapons or defenses of someone or something. For example, a person who is disarmingly honest might admit to a mistake without hesitation, which could make others more willing to forgive them. Similarly, a disarmingly simple solution to a complex problem might surprise others with its effectiveness.